When it comes to upgrading your home with new windows, choosing the right product is only half the battle. The other, and equally important, factor is how those windows are installed. For homeowners in Covington, professional installation isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Even the highest quality windows won't deliver on their promises of energy efficiency, security, and durability without expert installation. Here's why professional window installation is crucial for any window replacement project in Covington, and how it protects your investment, improves home performance, and enhances long-term comfort. Ensures proper fit and seal. Every home is unique, and so are its window openings. Over time, foundations can settle and frames can shift, making existing window openings irregular. Professional installers have the tools and experience to measure precisely, adjust as needed, and ensure a perfect fit. Without proper installation, gaps may form around the window, allowing outside air, moisture, and pests to enter your home. This not only undermines energy efficiency but can also lead to costly water damage or mold growth. A professional installation guarantees a tight, secure seal that protects your home inside and out. Maximizes energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the top reasons Covington homeowners invest in window replacement. But even the most energy-efficient window on the market won't perform properly if installed incorrectly. Improper seals, poor insulation, and misaligned frames can all lead to air leaks and thermal loss, negating the window's benefits. Professional window installers understand how to apply insulation, caulking, and flashing properly to prevent heat transfer. With correct installation, your windows help keep your home cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and your energy bills in check all year long. Maintains window warranty. Most high-quality windows come with warranties that protect against defects in materials or workmanship. However, many of these warranties are voided if the windows are not installed by a certified professional. Hiring a licensed and experienced window installer in Covington helps ensure your warranty stays valid. This not only gives you peace of mind but also protects your investment in case any issues arise with the windows in the future. Enhances security and safety. Your windows play a key role in protecting your home and your family. A professionally installed window will lock securely, fit firmly in its frame, and resist tampering. This is especially important for ground-level and basement windows, where break-ins are more likely to occur. Professional installers ensure that locking mechanisms are correctly aligned and operational. They also install the windows in a way that maintains the structural integrity of your walls and prevents vulnerabilities. In short, they help make your home more secure. Saves time and reduces stress. Window replacement might seem like a good DIY project, but it often requires more time, tools, and technical knowledge than most homeowners anticipate. Mistakes can be costly, not just in terms of money, but also time and potential damage to your home. A professional team can complete the installation efficiently and correctly the first time, reducing the chance of future problems and saving you from stress and frustration. They'll also handle cleanup and disposal, leaving you with a beautiful, finished product and no mess. Delivers superior aesthetic result. Professionally installed windows don't just perform better, they look better too. Installers pay close attention to detail, ensuring that windows are level, symmetrical, and cleanly finished. They'll also match trim and casing styles so the new windows blend seamlessly with your home's existing architecture. The result is a clean, polished appearance that enhances your curb appeal and interior design. Final thought. If you're considering window replacement in Covington, remember that how the windows are installed is just as important as what windows you choose. Professional installation ensures that your new windows deliver on all fronts: energy efficiency, security, performance, and appearance. By trusting experienced local installers, you protect your investment, improve your home's functionality, and enjoy peace of mind knowing the job was done right. For Covington homeowners, it's clear, professional window installation isn't just smart, it's essential.